Hi traders, Anthony here. Just taking a look at Bitcoin. I've got this open on the daily chart and I've scrunched up a little bit because I kind of want to go back and point out a couple of things here. So we've had this nice bullish move, a shift, definitely a shift in the trend. It's not a confirmed reversal until we get a break of this high, retest, fail. I think that would convince me that things are shifting, but I go with our breakout here. This is a break-in market structure, this one, and anything prior to that is a shift in the trend. Now we could pull that through there. First break, second break, yeah, I mean then we follow through here and we get this break, and then the trend's really confirmed here, in my opinion. Others would argue differently, and that's fine. What we have here is the first breakout. In the old days, we used to have two red down triangles. This break here would give us a red triangle right there. We'd see a red triangle right there at that point where we broke into the cloud. So this here looks like it's just about to break into the cloud. So this is going to be our first port of call once we see the cloud forming below. If I zoom in there, we could have a look. I'm not sure if we got that yet. That's our first break into the cloud, and then, you know, once we move a bit further and we get the second, this breakout here, then that's where, you know, I'm more convinced, and there's directional, definitely strength behind it, directional bias, and you know, we have a bit of a trend going on. The thing that concerned me most was if we pull in the volume, just have a look how the difference in this volume indicator. Have a look at this. We got this bullish move, but look at the volume compared to way back here where there was some substance behind it. So this has got very little substance behind it. I'm just not convinced. I'm absolutely not convinced, especially, you know, with this indicating very little volume behind this. With that in mind, and I mean, yeah, I was saying this yesterday, I just don't trust this move. We'll see. It'll prove itself. I mean, it might kind of like wiggle around in here, and we get that, and it kind of does its thing, and we're off to the moon or wherever we're going. I mean, that could happen. That could happen. I've got my reservations, if you will. Let's check out the other charts here, and well, there's a couple of things going on. Like, look at the 4-hour chart. Overextended here, so we had it range through here and we got a bit of a pullback. Overextended here and we had that. On the 1-hour time frame, we're overextended here. And let me make this clear, guys, these are not buy and sell signals. I just want to completely, once and for all, these are not buy and sell signals. What this is telling us is that the market is overextended, and these other signals tell us that we have a breakout. All right, and then it's up to us as traders to, you know, work out, okay, if the market's overextended, what do I want to do with that? In any case, the market is overextended. Now, this is the 1-minute chart. We've got a overextended alert here, and see how this is trading. Look at the price action. See how this is rolling over here? If we pick this up, how many times when we saw this signal did we get? I don't know. Let's have a look. This is a 4-hour chart. Sometimes they work out. In fact, actually, these signals are really good when the market's ranging, and you know, we'll usually, I mean, well, look at that. How many times did we see this alert on the 4-hour chart? Just looking for another one. Anyway, they're there. We've got the green ones. Every time we see this on the 4-hour chart, we get something out of it. You can see them. Some are a bit short-lived, others, you know. But look, I think this is setting up for a short. It's overextended. Look at our trend line here. It's way out there. Okay, have a look at the price action now. Have a look at the price action on the 1-minute chart. I think we're in for a bit of a pullback here, folks. Look at it. We don't have our signal. We don't have our breakout. What we do have is we've taken out this low. We're retesting this low. It'd be a little bit premature to jump in here now, but I would say that's your short. I'll just post this in. Get ready for a possible short opportunity here. So I'll just take a snapshot. We'll send that into Telegram. Alrighty, I'm going to paste that in. It's not a trade setup yet. Okay, so like from a price action perspective, let's just have a look at this. Okay, this is just price action we're looking at here. Okay, strong move, strong move, strong move. big push, big push. This pullback is a bit of a telltale sign here. And then we're rolling over here. So what do we got? Impulse leg, retrace. Impulse leg 2, retrace. Call this leg 3. 5 wave structure more or less, give or take. It's not picture perfect. And there's a little bit of there are humps and bumps along the way, but this is potentially rolling over here. It's showing signs of weakness. So we just need to be patient and wait for the opportunity. If this is a dip into liquidity here, right? If this is smart money kind of manipulating the market, actually, there's something I want to show you. And then and then they do that. Then that could happen too. But here's the thing, right? See this? This is why I think we're gonna retrace here. See this spike? This is a liquidity run. So it's a stop run, a deliberate stop run. Be careful, because what we could have here, possibly, who knows? You just got to be really careful. We don't want to jump in too early. We just wait for the setup, and an ideal setup is going to be where we get a break of this low, the retest and fail, and our breakout alert. So let's just wait for that and see how we go. I do like the fact that we've got this alert on these time frames overextended, but they don't always give us, that was well and truly overextended, but we didn't get much out of that. So, that could happen again. That gave us a bit more. That was nice. So let's just wait for the setup. Let's just throw the trend bars on here. Daily, just on the 4 hour here. I'm just having a look. We do have this price gap under here as well. Honestly, wouldn't be surprised we get something like that. It certainly wouldn't surprise me at all. So really, it's just a waiting game right now. I mean, you can just watch it kind of rolling over. It's like watching paint dry. Okay, London market opens in an hour. This will be the London Open here. Okay, we're in the Asian session, and we have this range. Okay, the Asian session range. Just be careful as we trade into the London Open. The market can get pretty volatile. I just posted my short position here into the Telegram group. All right, now take your 80%. Close 80% in profit now. Okay, so I've just sent that into the Telegram group. Beautiful. So what we do is we take close position, and I'm going to close 80%. Let's just take 2 of 3. Partial close. We are in the money. Go down here. That's my open position. Account history. Some of these trades are kind of nice. So we've got $242 in the bag here. 240. So let's just pull the stop loss down. 125. Okay, so I'm 240 in the money. If this stop loss gets taken out, I lose 125. So this is profitable. 240 less 125 all up, right? So this is risk-free. So I might even give it a bit of room to breathe. Right, so this is where you can make some serious money. We're building this account. We started off with 10,000. Now we've got about 18,800, and so I'm showing my members how to build their crypto account, or it could be Forex. But now keep in mind, this is a counter trend on the lower time frame, and with that in mind, let's keep the trailing stop loss fairly tight. And I think that pretty well wraps it up, guys. What I'd like to do is invite you to visit my website, traderanthony.com. Have a look at the testimonials. There's a whole bunch of stuff, lots of goodies in here. Go to the store and take the free 7-day trial. It will cost you $0 to try this for 7 days. You won't be charged. You'll click on one of these options and click the PayPal checkout. It won't charge you. You won't be billed today. Billing starts in 7 days. If you find that this isn't for you, then you can opt out if you want to. But make sure you click the subscribe here, because you don't want to miss out on if I've got a trade set up, I might send it out. I don't market stuff willy-nilly. This is members. So you want to be on that list. And with that, I'll wrap up the video. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.